Hello class! So today I'm just going to explain your assignment, which is writing a script. And this assignment is worth 10 points. Okay, so for you, what you guys are going to do is you're going to think of a scenario that involves an action and a consequence between two people. You are then going to write out a script about what happens. In your script, each person must have at least 2 separate lines. And then be prepared to read your script aloud for the class over our next Zoom call. So I wrote a little example here. And my example is not cleaning up after playing with my toys. So as you can see, I have me and my lines are in red. And then my mom and her lines are in blue. And then these black lines here are little actions that I would do during my play. So if I had to read my script out loud and act it out, these black lines are like me leaving and me coming back. Okay, you don't have to have those, but I thought I'd put them in there in case you wanted to. I'm going to read it now. Me. Mom, can I go play with my Legos? My mom. Yes, of course you can, but remember to put them away when you are done. Me. Okay, thank you. And then I leave and go play with my Legos. Me. All done. Oh, look, my sister is playing outside. I am going to go join her. I leave before cleaning up my Legos. My mom. Honey, come back inside and clean up your toys. I then have to leave the fun I was having while playing with my sister to go clean up the Legos, and by the time I returned, the game was over. Me. I should have cleaned up my toys before going outside, because then I would have listened to my mom and not missed out on all the games. So as you can see in my script, I have my action, which is me playing with my Legos, and then me leaving my Legos before I clean them up, and then the consequence is that I have to go inside and clean them up, and I miss playing with my sister and playing the games, and I didn't listen to my mom. So what I want you guys to do is to write a script like this, where you have 2 people. For example, mine were me and my mom, and those people have at least 2 separate lines. So as you can see, I speak 4 times, but my mom speaks twice. And I want you to write about something that might happen at home, or maybe with friends, and then you're going to read that aloud to the class on Friday. Okay, good luck!